Despite the fact that 75% of Americans have registered their phone numbers on the Do Not Call Registry, it appears many still cannot escape harassment from telemarketers. Today, I'd like to talk to you about who can and who cannot call you and how to put a stop to forceful telemarketers. Would you like to learn more? Join me. Hi, I'm David Candler Hicks of the Alliance Legal Group. We are a Florida-based law firm that helps clients deal with harassment from debt collectors and telemarketers and come out on top. For starters, if you're having a problem with telemarketers, you're not alone. The Federal Trade Commission, which administers the Do Not Call Registry, receives an incredible 100,000 complaints a month about telemarketer harassment. Let's start by reviewing who can and cannot call you once your name is on the Do Not Call Registry. Once you have registered your number on the Do Not Call Registry, commercial companies can't call you to solicit business. Telemarketing companies are required to check their call lists against the Do Not Call list every month, removing numbers of anyone that may have registered. Political parties can still call you, as well as firms you've done business with or have contact with in the past 18 months, though they must cease if you ask them to stop calling. Charities are also exempt. However, if they use a telemarketing company to solicit on their behalf, that company must honor any request from you to stop calling. Companies conducting legitimate telephone surveys are permitted to call you unless they're soliciting. Then they're breaking the law. Now that we've reviewed who can and who cannot call you, let's talk about how to put a stop to telemarketer harassment. First of all, register your phone numbers on the National Do Not Call Registry. You can register your cell phone, home phone, and fax machine numbers at the same time. The quickest way to register is online at www.donotcall.gov or call 888-382-1222. The process just takes a couple of minutes. Once you're on the list, it's permanent. Use caller ID to screen calls and only pick up phone calls from numbers you recognize. If there's silence when you answer the phone, it's a call from an auto dialer. Hang up. If you take a call from a telemarketer, just say this: "Thank you, but I'm not interested. Please don't call again. Goodbye." Then hang up. If they do call again, ask for their name, the name of the company, their address, and phone number. Legitimate telemarketing companies must give you this information. If they persist calling, contact an attorney and tell them you're being harassed. Telemarketing harassment is a crime, and you may be entitled to damages. If you are the victim of illegal telephone calls from telemarketers or debt collectors, there are strategies to document these violations and sue for damages of up to $1,500 per phone call. Contact us to make the call stop and to learn more about how you can fight back. At Alliance Legal Group, we help clients dealing with harassing debt collectors and telemarketers fight back. We'd be happy to discuss the circumstances of your situation with you and help you find appropriate options. I'm David Candler Hicks. Have a wonderful day.